You ever notice how hospitality is wildly different depending on where you are? Like, I grew up in Cebu, where visiting someone's house is like stepping into a hostage situation. Except your captor is a loving tita, forcing you to eat until you regret every life choice. You knock on the door, and before you even sit down, food is being thrown at you like a fiesta just magically appeared in your honor. Kaon USA, pagkaon PA, pagdala ugpan. Eat first, have more food, take some bread with you. It's not an invitation, it's a command. You can't leave the house unless you look pregnant, even if you're a guy. Now, fast forward to Canada. My first home visit here, I walk in, sit down, and the host looks at me, all polite and proper, and says, "Would you like a glass of water?" Maurani, that's it? Where's the feast, the lechon, the pancit, the aggressively hospitable auntie throwing rice onto my plate even when I beg her to stop? And then, get this, I actually said yes to the water thinking, maybe this is just the warm-up. But no, this man really came back with exactly one glass of water. No ice, no straw, just vibes. I was sitting there, sipping my rationed survival water thinking, did I just sign up for a hostage situation, but the opposite? And don't get me started on the difference when you try to say you're full. In Cebu, you can be on the verge of an explosion, stomach stretched to its legal limit, and you go, "Busog na koti." I'm full, auntie. But do they stop? No. They say, gamay na lang, kaon pa, just a little more. Here, eat. Meanwhile, in Canada, if you so much as hint that you're not hungry, they back off like you just threatened their entire existence. Oh, okay, no worries. Wait, that's it? No force feeding? No emotional blackmail? No, I cooked all this food and now you don't love me guilt trip? I left that Canadian house hungrier than when I arrived. So now when I visit my Cebuano titas in Canada, I make sure to bring my own bayon, just in case they've gone too Canadian on me. Because listen, if I'm not leaving a house with a Tupperware full of leftovers, was I even really there?